Okay, so we are going to deburr this block. And I'm gonna clean out the oil galleys. It doesn't really matter right now because it's going to the machine shop, but all this casting flash you see all up in there. Try and deburr these oil drain back holes, try and just round them out a little bit. Take out that casting flash that you see in there. Get rid of the sharp 90s. That is about it. So I'm gonna get to it. Stay tuned. All right, so I'm cleaning up the water jackets on that. What is that? The driver's passenger side. Had some leftover hard block filler on the walls when I was trying to get the air out. So see me here cutting the caps. The benefit of doing this is preventing cracking on the block. So what you're trying to do is round out all the hard stress risers, heat risers. Again, you know, I've said this 50 times in this video, the casting flash and sand. There's not a lot of sand in newer blocks. There was a little bit on this block on the back side, but I didn't even show it in here. I'm cutting the outside as well. Not really as beneficial as the inside of the motor. Most of the cracks I've ever seen on blocks were coming from the inside near the mains, at least on the LS blocks. Cleaning up the valley, just again that disgusting flaky casting flash. Imagine like when you're making a waffle and how the excess comes out the side. Basically that excess on the side is what I'm trying to get rid of. So cleaning out the oil drain back holes, not crazy important in the LS block either, but it's beneficial. So, and you do see me hitting, you know, all the rough seams and joints where the mold comes together when they cast the motor. I'm hitting this with a file so I don't hit where I don't want to hit with the die grinder, because the registers are right there on those oil pan rails. So that's about it. Alright, so I'm done prepping it, I guess you could call it. So I'm taking off all the 90s. All the 90s on the block, outside of the ones that come close to these. As some of these caps come up, that register is important. So all the casting flash, any hard 90s that were coming up are all taken off. It's hard to see because you're like, I'm not trying to take off hella metal. All I'm doing is taking off the sharp 90s. So you can kind of see where the reflection is. That's all I'm doing. So it's an old school trick. I don't know if that's a trick or not, but a little bit of elbow grease that can go a long way. Some people say it's not worth it, complete waste of time, blah blah blah. But I think it'll be worth it. It makes sense to me. It's logical, right? Let me flip this over, show you guys the other side. So I got the tool that I was talking about that was a little bit longer, so I could blend these in. A little sander. Other side looks the same. So also I went around and hit all the 90s I was talking about with that same thing just to round them off. So not a lot on here, but LS blocks don't really need it, but it's not gonna hurt. Get that pan back, the oil back to the pan. You know, I have a retrofit pan, so it's not made for capacity. It's made to fit, you know, into the space here. So, all right, so I'm super beat. It was a long process. I think it was like 4 hours, 3-4 hours, but this is finished product. So super dirty. I mean, there's stuff everywhere, but we flip this over. stay tuned for the next one. I got some pretty trick stuff coming for this block, and then I got parts coming up as well. So like, comment, share, you know, the YouTube spiel. Deuces.